Hey you guys, what's up guys? How are you guys doing? Okay guys, so you're welcome back to my channel and you're welcome back to today's video. Now in today's video, I'm basically going to be showing you a very simple, cheap, easy and very effective homemade remedy that would actually transform your skin. That's if you're even 70. Okay, you're gonna be looking way younger, like you're gonna be looking 20. I mean your skin, okay, I mean your skin is gonna glow, it's gonna remove dead skin cells, it's going to get rid of fine lines, pigmentations, and your skin is going to be responsive to cream. Like there are some people who their skin do not respond to cream. Okay, no matter cream you use, it's not going to work because you need to scrub out that dead skin cells that's blocking your skin, that's actually not making your skin glow, plump, look beautiful and all of that. Okay, you need to get rid of it, you need to remove it, and so that your skin can be looking like that of a baby. The newer skin will be looking so beautiful and all of that. So do watch this video to the very end so you can see the ingredients, how I'm going to be mixing it, applying it on my skin, on my face basically, and scrubbing it out. You're going to see how I'm going to be scrubbing all of those dead skin cells off my face, and you're gonna see a more brighter, a more newer and a more beautiful skin. So let me take you right into the video. Alright guys, so using baking soda, you know, alongside with this would help so much. Alright, it will help to rejuvenate and glow your skin. Now tomato is a great ingredient that works so much when it comes to, you know, the skin. It helps to glow and nourish up the skin, and it helps to keep your skin rejuvenated and bright. Okay, so it will help to remove large and open pores, and it's also going to help to keep your skin looking really beautiful and flawless. Alright, so you basically need this a whole lot when it comes to giving your skin that pamper. Okay, so I'm basically going to be just creating one piece of tomato. I'm not going to be creating this particular one, just one piece of tomato, and sieve this out, and so that we can also get rid of the seed. So here I have the seed. So we're equally going to be making use of some banana, and we're going to be making use of just one piece of banana. Alright, so my banana is actually very ripe. Banana is a great moisturizing properties to the skin. It helps to rejuvenate and make the skin glow a whole lot. Alright, it shines the skin, and it also helps to remove wrinkles and fine lines. Since my banana is basically very soft, just like you can see, I'm just gonna be creating it like this, and so that it can just be fast. Alright, now using banana on your skin would give you that glow to actually make you look like a baby. Okay, so let me just smoothen it out like this. Alright guys, so here I have my tomato and banana, and then we mix this all up, and the nutrients and the ingredients in here would help to polish up your skin and make your skin look really, really beautiful. The very next ingredient which we are going to be needing is baking soda, which is also called bicarbonate of soda. Now baking soda is an amazing and a great ingredient that helps to scrub out dead skin cells on your skin. That is actually responsible in making your skin look rough, dry and aged. Okay, so it will actually help to leave your skin looking glowing, supple and really, really soft, and also getting rid of all of those wrinkles and as well as fine lines that is actually blocking your skin. Now when you're putting baking soda in your treatment just like this, you have to put just 1 tablespoon, no more than 1 tablespoon. It's perfect. Alright, so the very last thing we're going to be putting in here is our petroleum jelly, which is Vaseline. Alright, Vaseline is one amazing and a great ingredient that works wonders on the skin. Well, if you've actually not tried Vaseline in your treatment, well, why not give this a go? And you're going to be coming back to tell me wow, right? Because this works a whole lot. So there we go. You can either do a double boiler method, you know, to melt your Vaseline, okay, and then you use it. For this is how it is. This is amazing. This is a very great ingredient that works so well. You are going to be loving this, you guys, because this is great. This is so beautiful. Alright, so let's go apply this on the face and get rid of all of those age-related problems that is actually, you know, blocking your skin and making your skin look aged. Alright, so let's go and do that. Okay, alright, so I've actually dabbed my face with water. You guys can already see that I've dabbed my face with water, and yes, prepared my face. Now the reason why I love to dab my face, that's if you don't already know, I love to dab my face because it actually make my face wet before applying the product. Okay, so that it will get into my skin and then it will glow my skin so well. All right, and it will also leave my skin looking flawless because I have dabbed my face on time. So I'm not going to be waiting for too long when I apply the product. So that's one. And two, you have to refrigerate your product. Yep. Oops, oopsie, I love that. Oops, oopsie, oh my goodness. Oops, oopsie, oops, oopsie, oops. Oops, oopsie, oops. Oh my goodness, this is so good. Yay! Okay guys, so after applying this on my skin, now what I'm gonna do is scrub it. You guys, I love this. You guys, can you guys see? Oh my goodness, man, this natural ingredient works a whole lot. You guys, if you don't know, it works so well, so well. All right, it keeps my skin glowing and flawless, and it makes my skin super duper young. Wow, I love that. Anyway, for this particular ingredient, you guys, you can actually store it. Okay, you can store it for some days, 3 to 4 days at most. You can store it, and then basically use it for at least 2 weeks. Okay, just give it a try for 2 weeks first. Okay, like 3 times in a week for 2 weeks, and you are gonna come back to say thank you, editorial. Now after when you're done, you're gonna wash this off with a lukewarm water, like the very mild warm water, or normal water. Okay, depending on your choice, but I would advise you wash it off with a very mild warm water, not hot water. Okay, so that all of those things that you've actually scrubbed could remove from your face, and your face could be so smooth and young. Okay guys, so that's it. You can already see that I love the feeling. I love the way it just goes, despite it looks as if there was nothing, but it just sink in my skin. And don't forget to always dab your face with water even before using any product, okay, on your skin. Yeah, so that's it. Go give this a go, and you're going to be loving it. It is quite amazing, quite simple, quite effective and cheap, so you don't have anything to lose anyways. It's natural, and the ingredients are very reachable. Okay, so I'll see you again in my next video, and do not forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe and share, and bye.